So this is where we were yesterday, right? We were doing this exercise 7.1. I'll just zoom in for you people. So we have done the first question, which were blanks. No, you don't need to measure the lens for now. You don't have to measure the lens. You don't need to even check whether or not the triangles are congruent, Harjot. The question that you're asking, where you want to check whether the triangles are congruent or not, we are not doing that part. We will be only doing this, where if we are already told, जब हमें पहले से बताया हो कि triangles आपके congruent हैं और उनके बीच में matching paths कौन कौन से हैं, how do we answer the rest of the question? इसमें checking वाला कुछ भी नहीं है, वो next exercise है जो हम नहीं कर रहे, उसमें बहुत सारे rules हैं and yes
मैम जो आप समझा रहे हो कि वो दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तो मैम हमें उन दोनों को बनाकर फिर उनको बताना है।
नहीं हमने कुछ नहीं करना बेटा, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, आपने कुछ नहीं करना. Let's just do the questions and you will have an idea what I'm talking about. आपको एग्जाम में सिर्फ इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, the ones which are given here, and I will send the assignment later on and you would know आपको कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. I hope first question is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. So two examples from your real life of the shapes.
Hands.
Okay, our hands.
Shoes.
Ears.
Shoes. Ears.
Ears.
Pair of socks.
Eyes.
That's correct. Anything else?
Ma'am, our two lips.
Not necessarily. Pages of the same book. Glasses.
Pair of gloves.
Pair of gloves. I've written a pair of gloves. I've written 2 coins of 5 rupee. So you can take the coins of same denomination. So you can write any two things out of these. And you have the examples in the beginning of this chapter also, where they had given blades of the same shaving company. Then they had given 2 stamps of the same size.
Ma'am, we have to do in book or notebook?
You can write, these 3 are to be done in notebook. Okay. So I will just do this with you over here.
I have done in book.
Okay, that's fine. If you've already done in book, that's completely fine. So what you can do is you can just write down exercise 7.1. Question number 1, which were blanks, if you have done in book. Then question number 2, where you want to give examples, give examples. So I'm just going to write down 2 examples on my own. 2 blades of same company. Another example I could give is 2 coins of 5 rupee. I'm taking 2 5 rupee coins. Same होगा ना, size exactly match करेंगे. You could also write down 2 circles of same radius, etc.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gagan.
Ma'am, sometimes 5 rupees coin are different. Someone there is a silver one and sometimes there is golden one.
We don't look at the color. Congruence has nothing to do with color.
Their shapes are also different.
So let's take the ones which are exactly the same, of same minted time, जब इकट्ठे बने होंगे. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उनकी इकट्ठी हुई हो, ये कह दो. अगर आपको ये नहीं लगता, आपको लगता है कि this could not be possible, you could write any other example other than this. You could also write
मैम
this.
इसमें कॉइन्स का मैम इसमें कॉइन्स का कलर भी सेम होना चाहिए.
No, 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 no. The color has nothing to do with congruence. Only the shape and the size. So there are so many examples that you can give, not necessarily the ones I'm mentioning. This is page number 137 if you want to note down. Now, question number 3 of this exercise, you have been given that there are two congruent triangles. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FEB, and it's given the matching also. This is how they match. So if the matching is given, like this correspondence is given, can you write down their matching paths? I will just take you to the question here. The question is this one, where they say the triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, the sign used in between is of congruence. So they are saying that the triangles are congruent. After that, the matching is given this way. ABC matches with FEB. So the first letter with the first one, second letter with the second one, third with the third one. What you need to write is,
हमने एग्जांपल में किया होगा ना डेफिनेशन में.
yes. Write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangle. जितने भी उनके matching parts बन रहे हैं. I hope you remember the work that I had sent to you. I think it's on this side. Yes, over here. When we write down the matching paths, we write down the corresponding vertices. So you're supposed to write down the matching vertices. After that, you will be writing down the matching sides, and then you will be writing down the matching angles. Right? This is what you need to do.
क्वेश्चन 2 दोबारा से कर दो.
You're writing the answer?
Yes.
So first of all, we are going to write down the corresponding vertices. So the first letter with the first one. A.
मैम ये अपने कॉइन्स वाला एग्जांपल कट किया हुआ है.
Beta, in case you feel के वो नहीं होंगे same, because Gagan is saying that they could have different size. But what I was thinking was कि I will be taking two coins of exactly the same design. बिल्कुल exact same design के अगर हम coins लें, तो वो match करेंगे. So if you think that this is not possible, although it is possible, but you will have to pick the coins correctly. So you could not write this option just for the time being and write any other, because you can take so many examples. Hands of the same person. हो सकते हैं.
इसका कॉइन सेम ही होता है मैम, उनमें साइज थोड़ा चेंज
तो
होता है.
आप लिख सकते हो ना. मैंने इसलिए कहा depends on the person. I think you missed what Gagan was saying. आपने miss कर दिया. Gagan was mentioning something, that's why हमने ये काटा था. I told Gagan specifically that if she feels that this may not be possible, then you don't have to write this example. There are so many other examples. You can write down our own hands of the same person. So those hands will be congruent. Okay. Help me write these. So I've written the vertices of triangle ABC. So A, B, C are the vertices of the first triangle. What will be the matching vertices from the second triangle? A will match with
F,
B
E,
and C.
D.
So after this, we will be writing down now the matching sides. So I'm making the sides using two corners. So using A and B, make one side.
AB,
AB. AB will match with
FE,
FE. Then BC.
ED, ED,
And then AC, first and last.
FE,
FD. First, last, I'm taking C, I'm taking A and I'm taking C. So I'll be taking F and I'll be taking D. So ACFD. This is important. And then we have to write down the matching angles. So let's write down the names of the triangles for the first one, name of the angles for the first triangle. So first triangle will have angle A, angle B, and angle C. Let's write down the angles which will match from the second one. First triangle ka angle A will match with which
Angle F.
Angle F.
Angle F,
Angle B.
Angle E, Angle E,
And angle C.
Angle D.
Angle D. That's correct. And then after this, we have just one more question to do. Let's take a look at the last question. If these two triangles are congruent, DEF is congruent to BCA, write the parts of triangle BCA that correspond to these. So there are some parts listed. These are the parts of which triangle? Question में दो
Angle
triangles,
DEF. Angle DEF.
right? So question में उन्होंने दो triangles की बात की हुई है. जो पार्ट्स यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, these are the parts of triangle DEF. ये इस ट्रायंगल के पार्ट्स हैं. इनके साथ दूसरे ट्रायंगल के जो पार्ट्स मैच होंगे, आपको वो आंसर करना है. तो एंगल E कौन से एंगल के साथ मैच होगा फ्रॉम दिस ट्रायंगल? साइड EF BCA ट्रायंगल की कौन सी साइड से मैच होगी? जो एंगल F है वो कौन से एंगल से मैच होगा? और DF कौन सी साइड से मैच होगी?
मैम क्वेश्चन थर्ड का लास्ट पार्ट शेयर कर दो मैम, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वाले का.
Yeah, I'm just going back there. I just better when I'm discussing the question, it's better you focus on that. I can share the answer later also. Understanding is important, right? I hope this question is clear. We have been given that there are two triangles which are congruent, and they have given us some parts right here as number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. If we look closely, we will observe कि ये जो parts दिए हुए हैं, ये parts किस triangle के हैं? DEF triangle के हैं. और हमें इनकी मैचिंग करनी है दूसरे ट्रायंगल के पार्ट्स के साथ। तो आप एंगल ई का मैचिंग एंगल बताओगे। ई एफ के ऊपर लाइन सेगमेंट का सिंबल है, इसका मीनिंग है ये साइड है, तो ये वाली साइड किस साइड के साथ मैच करेगी? एंगल एफ कौन से एंगल के साथ मैच करेगा? डी एफ कौन सी साइड के साथ मैच करेगी? So let's write the answer for this one. First of all, you want to write down the congruence. The congruence that's given in the question. सबसे पहले वो लिखना है आपने, because हमारा आंसर उसी को देख के लिखा जाएगा. So we have DEF congruent to triangle BCA. So for myself, you can write this in fair also. I'm going to write down the correspondence. Based on this, correspondence क्या बनेगी? DEF with BCA as it is. So first one with the first one, then E will match with C and F will match with A. This is how the correspondence will be there, the matching. And now we are going to write the answers for angle E. I'm just going to write down all the parts first and then we will write the answers. Okay, now you can pick your answer. For angle E.
Angle C.
Angle C, that's correct. For side EF.
Side BC.
CA.
CA. Then angle F
Angle A.
Angle A.
and DF. DF.
BC.
Angle BA.
BA. DF first and last. D and F first and last. तो यहाँ से भी first और last लेना है. You can note this. DF. So you will be taking DA. And this completes your exercise. And you can write down exercise 7.2. Not to be done. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So the next chapter that we're going to start is chapter number 3.
Ma'am.
Yes, Achit?
Ma'am,
You were writing down?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I was asking, ma'am, उसमें ma'am ये समझ आया ma'am ये question 2, question 3.
Question number 3?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, इस पे क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा?
मैम ये हमेशा हमने ऐसे आना है
कैसे?
मैम वर्टिकल से लिखने हैं, साइड से लिखने हैं, एंगल से, मैम हमेशा ऐसे लिखनी है.
नहीं नहीं बेटा, मैंने अभी आपको बोला, द क्वेश्चन सेज, क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने ये कहा था ये बताना था आपको, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पाथ्स बताने थे, ठीक है? यही लिखा है क्वेश्चन में, चेक करो। सी
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay, now I had sent you some work in the beginning. In the beginning I had sent some work to be written. If you remember, there I had shown this, that when you want to write down the corresponding paths, ये देखो यहाँ पे इंडिकेट किया हुआ है corresponding paths कौन कौन से होते हैं, vertices, sides and angles, आपको ये लिखना है।
Okay, ma'am.